Hi everybody, welcome back. It is a cold, soggy day here in New England, typical for the winter, and I decided to go someplace warm, namely my greenhouse, which it's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit here in the greenhouse. And I wanted to talk about something that might be very helpful to people that either are new to keeping chickens or thinking about keeping chickens, and that is 2 choices that you can make that will make your life so much better, and really it will make your chickens' lives better. These 2 choices will solve probably 70 to 80% of the problems that come up with keeping chickens. Those are things like health-related problems, problems keeping your chickens warm enough or cool enough, reduced egg laying in the winter, things like that. And so I thought, you know what? I wish I had known these 2 points when I had started out keeping chickens. So the first point is, this is a tough one, and I know it's actually fairly unpopular in the nominal chicken keeping community, and that is, I strongly disagree with selecting chickens for the way they look. Whether it's their feathers, the shape of them, or the color, or maybe even the shape or color of their eggs. That's a terrible way to choose a chicken breed. You really should be choosing a chicken breed that is suited for your environment. And that could be a very hot environment, a very cold environment, in the extremes of where you live. Because when you don't select a breed that's good for your environment, it creates a whole bunch of problems. And a lot of them are health related, some of them are productivity related. So a chicken that's not suited for your environment is more prone to get sick. It's more prone to be cold in the winter or too hot in the summer. And along with that comes all of that stuff. Also, productivity drops off. It's a pretty common conversation for people to kind of accept that it's a fact that chickens just stop laying in the winter. Well, that hasn't been my experience. I don't give supplemental light to the Bielefelders that I have right now, and they are ridiculously happy. Now, I got these Bielefelders, which are suited for my New England environment, primarily as meat chickens, but I wanted meat chickens that also laid. And so while Bielefelders don't lay as frequently as, like a Rhode Island Red or a Red Sex Link or something like that, they do lay consistently. And so they don't lay every day. Typically my Bielefelders lay pretty much every other day. And so my 12 chickens produce 6 eggs every day, like clockwork. If it's -2 Fahrenheit outside, or it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer, they lay like clockwork. Okay, so that's the first thing. Have a breed that is suited for your environment. Now, the second thing is sort of related primarily to health, but it can affect productivity as well, and that is keeping your chickens dry. I specifically decided for this new run and coop layout that, first of all, the coop would have ventilation that was maximized for good ventilation, moving moisture out of the coop and keeping the chickens dry and within the right temperature range. The run is also covered. And so this makes it possible for the chicken's feet to always be dry. And in my experience, when a chicken is dry, both from the humidity level perspective and their feet stay dry, their feet stay healthy. And a chicken with healthy feet is a healthy chicken. And so those 2 little details, the right breed and keeping your chickens dry, will solve something like, in my opinion, 70 to 80% of the problems that will come up when keeping chickens.